Hey, what's up, everyone? Today's the 18th of January 2023. Let's talk about DraftKings today. Now, there's a couple of people on Wall Street that sees a 45% run up in the market at DraftKings. I definitely wanted to come in and show you all if that's plausible. Is it reasonable? Should we actually expect the market in DraftKings to trend higher? Now, before I do that, let's go ahead and break down how the price action traded against our price prediction. You guys can see that we've already identified where the market buyers needed to hold price. And it was all the way down here. Okay, we needed to see the market in DraftKings hold around $11. You guys see, I did a video on the 2nd of January, and I told you all that's the first area for us to see the price go. And it's pretty good that we did see buyers hold this $11 price. So I'm not surprised. Neither should you. That is why this market currently is in an upward trend in DraftKings. It's because the buyers were already positioned around 11. That is why you need to know where people are trying to buy and then where people are trying to sell. So seeing that that's the case, I'm not surprised to see the market currently breaking outside of this downtrend line. Things has changed in the market in DraftKings. So let's go ahead and break this down. So if you guys didn't get out on this first price target right there around 11, I get it. If you were to get out the market on the close of yesterday, you will be down around 25%. And it happens. You're not going to get every price prediction correct. Every forecaster is supposed to see how price is acting around certain price levels to see whether or not you're still sitting good in your idea or if it's actually going against you. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what's going on now. So check this out. We are now trading outside the trend in DraftKings. Okay, so there's a couple of things we need to talk about. Are we still looking for price to go down in DraftKings? That's the first question. Is the greater chance of us seeing price going down in DraftKings still there? Is there a greater chance to see that? Or should we expect price to trend higher? Let's see this on the 2-weekly chart. That should give us a little bit more information. Okay. So I'm thinking that price has hit bottom in DraftKings. Why do I say that? Well, when we see this on a 2-weekly chart, okay, because charts don't lie. The moment that we see DraftKings break this area down here, okay, the moment that we see DraftKings break $11 to the downside, then that's when we know that there's something bad going on in the market in DraftKings. So we're looking at this on a 2-weekly chart, and we can tell how many times price in DraftKings has not allowed price to fall below 11. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 2-weekly price bars that the buyer stepped in. 9. That shows you how strong that foundation is. Okay. And then on top of that, we saw the market in DraftKings close up here at the high of the bar. So I'm looking for price to continue to trend higher. Now we're only at $14 now, but when you see this, okay, this is where I'm seeing the next area and plausible point that we would see price just trade sideways. Okay, this is that trading channel initially. If there's enough momentum in DraftKings to break above 16, then that second target is going to be around 18 or maybe a little bit lower. We'll straighten this up on the daily chart. That's that trading channel now. You guys can tell it. Look how pretty that looks. This is the accumulation. It might be accumulation. It might be where buyers are buying the market in DraftKings, or this could be a selling area before price really breaks below $11. So that's why you still need to be on guard. Okay, here it is on the weekly chart. So I am playing some strength into the market in DraftKings, but again, seeing how price has already made a pretty good move higher, I don't think we got a lot in the tank that's really going to push the price like up to $40. Okay, I like it on the 5-day chart as well. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day. The market move over the last couple of 2 days has been phenomenal. Like, that has been powerful. Look how strong that move has been. A lot of people who were not positioned down here did not really capitalize off of this current move higher. So seeing that we saw price in DraftKings on the low of January 6th to the high yesterday, that's 30% run up. Like, as sooner or later, the market's going to come back down. They're going to play that, and price is going to come down. So Like if you're supposed to time this, if right now the time to get into the market in DraftKings, I would say no, because we need to allow some of this air out the balloon to bring back some calmness into the market, because a lot of people are going to jump on board seeing that move right there. But nevertheless, since I don't do DraftKings every day, we're still going to play that. The market's going to continue to trend higher. Okay. Now, I said it's going to be around like 17. So yeah, we'll keep it there. Okay, so check this out. The first price target I said was around 16. That's 12, almost 13%. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. So $16 is going to be around 12, almost 13%. My second one is going to be up here around 17. It's 19, almost 20% market move in DraftKings there. Now the first hurdle, okay, is at 16. So yeah, I'm just saying, if the market doesn't break above 16, don't expect it to run to 17. That's the first area. Well, it might even be a little bit lower down here at 15. So I'm gonna have to drop 3 price targets. Okay, the first one is 15 because I can really see the market getting rejected at 15. Second one's gonna be up there towards 16. Third is gonna be 17. So those are my price targets right there. Okay, so I am done. I want you all to go ahead and give me your thoughts about DraftKings real quick. Guys, want to join? Hit the like button instead of not subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.